y'all was dopey. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed out. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Because I could have sworn it was me out here
Hello.
towing cars for him.
What's
and
up?
looking damn fine doing it too, baby. We got 5 on this nigga.
Fucking bitch, lose the cup. Tatry kong maging, like... Tatry kong maging present sa live habang naglalaro ako. Kaso kasi ang hirap. Pero like, let's do it. Parang isa siyang challenge. Jesus. Tatry ko lang kung carry. But if not, then hindi. Then do. Tang-inang hirap. What game? GTA kasi favorite ko talaga. Like, kaya ako favorite GTA kasi I don't know if I explained this before, pero kasi yung GTA 5 sobrang kamukha niya yung LA. Dati tumira ako sa LA, tapos parang kapag namimiss ko yung LA, pinapanood ko lang, naglalaro lang ako ng GTA kasi like ganito talaga siya. Like naloka rin talaga ako sa Grand Theft Auto. Hindi ako nag-Valorant yung friend ko lang. Nag-guard kasi ako sa Valorant I don't like games na walang objective. Yung may kipaglaban lang sa ibang tao, like what's for. So parang mas, pinopost ko the fuck. Matay na lang si Franklin. Alam mo, Titegi. Patigin na para yung mission. We'll never be those kids again. Lapit na nga ako. GTA 5. Tegi. Inulit ko yung pinaka-game kasi parang ilang beses ko nang inulit yung game, ganun ko siya ka-favorite. Nandito na ako na yung tinotow ko yung Car for Tonya. Yung, I don't know kung sino naglaro ng GTA dito, pero tinotow na. We're feeling it for JB!
This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he
Ang bilis ko din kasi mag-drive kaya
Yo, game, sugar.
Except I ain't
Yo, CJ. No, it's not CJ. It's Franklin, baby.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
Bert, parang magamukha mo. Hindi ko alam, kakagising ko lang.
That ain't what I'm saying. Hey, I'm tired.
You just woke up.
What happened to you?
Palit tayong kanta. What's up, guys? Ang hirap mag-multitask. Ang hirap mag-multitask, girl. Basta ito yung challenge.
This 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in. Hey, boo!
Hello, what's up?
Alright, baby. Back it up nice and steady. Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this
Wait
back
lang.
to the lot.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
this was not how I saw my day going.
Naging gamer na lang talaga siya. Wow, syempre hindi naman ako araw-araw drag queen, mga alaga.
Trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got air.
Atake nyo, hindi ako ano.
I remember you
Wala akong
before you
ginagawa.
was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dope head. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed out. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding.
Mangiram nga kung game kayo, Odasha.
Paying Phil.
Hi, what's up?
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here touring cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby.
Hindi ko alam kung paano yung kayo ginagawa ni Odasha. eh.
Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Okay, boo, you can drop it right here. What you doing to that car back there?
Ang hirap.
You said you'd help me.
See you ma here Santiago. Yes.
I'll see you on the block. Anything you
Can't wait to see you po. Yes, me too, girl. Bagong gising si Naka, yes.
Now, where
Banggain na muna si Tonya. Asan yung putang inang niya?
Scientists and DJs, well, my part of the chemical world will change your shit. Let's get into
Gigil ako sa'yo, inutusan mo. Pam.
this is science.
Ay, mamatay ni Tonya, no? NPC kasi. Anong fave mo nilaro sa PSP? PSP. Girl, PSP, hindi to PSP, PS4 to. Kasi iba pangit naman game sa PSP. Huli na naman akong puli. Ang bilis ng kotse, Bets. Girl, PSP talaga yung tinipe mo kasi kapag 4, papalitan mo pa ng number. So, PSP siya talaga. Late lang ang post ko, ang hirap. Wait lang. Magpapadeliver pala akong week.